Hello Bike Update family. Today we bring you something exciting, something stylish, and something that redefines the way we look at scooters. The 2025 Suzuki Burgman 125. If you are a fan of premium scooters, then stay with us till the end because this one is going to blow your mind. Suzuki has once again raised the bar, offering a scooter that combines comfort, performance, and modern features like never before. So, is the new Burgman 125 worth it? Let's find out. Design and style. The first thing that grabs attention is its futuristic and sharp design. Suzuki has given the 2025 Burgman 125 a more aggressive and premium look, making it a head-turner on Indian roads. The LED headlamps, sleek bodywork, and bold stance make it look like a Maxi-Scooter straight out of the future. Plus, the comfortable and spacious seat ensures that both the rider and pillion enjoy every journey. Whether you're commuting in the city or going on a weekend ride, the Burgman 125 is designed to make you stand out. Engine and performance. Under the stylish body, the 2025 Suzuki Burgman 125 is powered by a refined 124cc single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine. This engine is built for both power and efficiency, delivering smooth acceleration and enough grunt for city rides. The BS6 compliant engine ensures better fuel economy and lower emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice. With CVT automatic transmission, riding this scooter is effortless. Just twist the throttle and enjoy the ride. Features smart technology for smart riders. Suzuki knows that modern riders want more than just a scooter. They want technology, convenience, and safety. That's why the 2025 Burgman 125 comes loaded with features. Fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation for easy travel, USB charging port to keep your devices powered, SART key system for a keyless experience, larger seat storage for carrying essentials, front glove box for quick access to small items. Ride quality and comfort. Comfort is where the Burgman 125 truly shines. With a well-cushioned seat, telescopic front suspension, and large footboard space, this scooter provides a relaxed riding experience. The wide handlebars and upright riding posture ensure you don't feel tired even after long rides. And let's not forget the superior suspension setup that absorbs bumps and potholes effortlessly, making it ideal for Indian road condition. Mileage and price. One of the most important factors for Indian riders is mileage. The 2025 Burgman 125 offers an impressive fuel efficiency of around 50 km/L, making it an economical choice. As for the price, Suzuki has kept it competitive, offering great value for money considering the premium features and performance. Final verdict. So if you're looking for a scooter that's stylish, comfortable, packed with features, fuel-efficient, and fun to ride, then the 2025 Suzuki Burgman 125 is a perfect choice. It's more than just a scooter, it's a statement. Whether you're a college student, a working professional, or someone who loves long rides, this scooter is designed to meet all your needs. So, Bike Update family, what do you think about the 2025 Suzuki Burgman 125? Does it match your expectations? Would you love to ride this beauty on Indian roads? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Update for more exciting updates from the world of two-wheelers. Ride safe, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.